Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Elasticsearch transforms for pivot style aggregation. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Elasticsearch transforms for pivot style aggregation, first, navigate to your Elasticsearch Kibana interface. Once you're logged in, locate the left sidebar and click on Stack Management. In the Stack Management section, find and select Data Views. Ensure your data view is set up correctly for the index you want to transform. Next, return to the left sidebar and click on Transforms. Click on the Create Transform button to start configuring a new transform. Select Pivot as your transform type for pivot style aggregation. You will now need to define your source index. Enter the index pattern from which you want to aggregate data. Next, move to the Pivot section. In this section, specify the aggregations you want to perform, such as metrics and buckets. You can choose between different aggregation types like average, sum, or terms. Define the fields you want to aggregate from your data view. Next, set up the destination index. This is where the results of your pivot transformation will be stored. Provide an appropriate name for your destination index. Now, review your settings for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Create button to finalize your transform setup. Your transform will now be created and can be monitored in the Transforms section. To start the transform, click on the toggle to enable it. You will see the status change as it processes the data. Once the transform is running, you can check for updates on its progress. After the transformation is complete, you will be able to access the new pivot style aggregated data in your destination index. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.